Today, we drive safer cars on safer roads. Decades of advertisements and public information campaigns have made most of us safer drivers. Unfortunately, the number of auto accidents is still quite staging. In 2008, there were almost 6 million car accidents in the United States, leading to more than 37,000 deaths. The best way to reduce the risk of being involved in an accident is to practice safe driving behaviors. Factors such as tired driving and road conditions, which often contribute to accidents. In recent years, there has been tremendous growth in smartphones embedded with enormous sensors such as accelerators, global positioning system, magnet meters, multiple microphones, and with our Tesla driver assistance system. This project will focus on the problem sleepy drivers cause many accidents. Over 100,000 crashes from driver failures each year, and 1,000 deaths, and over 30,000 people injured.
To figure out what kind of dangerous driving behavior is becoming more focused, we designed a questionnaire including questions toward 50 people. Questions include some most dangerous driving behavior in the daily life, like sleeping driving, drunk driving, traffic violation. And the main target group is aged over 26 who has enough driving experience. Besides, we also took some interview with some candidates.
Hey man, what do you think about the safe driving?
For me, the most dangerous driving behavior is sleeping driving. Once I had already been driving over 4 hours, but it was very late and I want to continue to go back home. And I was very confident because I already had 5 years driving experience. But I did not notice I was too sleepy to drive and almost fall asleep. Fortunately, my friend noticed that and shouted at me to avoid a car accident. So if there is some kind of technology to detect whether the driver is sleeping, it was very helpful for the driver to make a safe work, I think. Thank you.
So to deal with the issues we found, we decided to develop a mobile application which aims to check whether the driver is sleeping and give alarm voice. And this app also can locate the driver and give a notification of the road information, including speed limit and emergency information.
In our project, we use two sensors. The first one is a camera sensor and use the Google Vision API to capture the driver's face and eye blink. And the other one is a location detector to get the longitude and the longitude in order to get the current road name. After that, the application fetches the same road from the Azure cloud database and get the speed limit of the road. Therefore, the administrator can add or change the road information in the cloud database without the awareness of the users. To make sure the safety on the roads, our application uses a text-to-speech service to alert the driver by voice. Now, we'll show a live demonstration and a car-driven scenario.
When the drivers get into the car, he can open the application to turn into the safe driving module. Firstly, there has step-through activities, and which we will introduce the mainly functionality of our application. There has pictures to remind the users about the safe driving, and you can skip the step-through activity to go to the functionality directly. There has a start button, and then click it to begin.
When the driver wants to start driving, he will click the start button on the application. And the application will fetch the current address and get the address in the Azure database. If the address is the same address, and the application will fetch the description. Now we are in the DK University, and the road in the university have the speed limit of the 6 km/h. So the driver is driving the car.
The speed limit is 60 km/h. The speed limit is 60 km/h.
And the application will continue alert the driver the speed limit.
Now we are running at the Brownwick Highway. For safety consideration, we need to park the car and test the eye tracking functionality. Users can stop the road warning at the right bottom button And then for the interface, we assume the driver is in sleepy state. When he closes eyes, the symbol will change to yellow and the warning will remind the driver that he is in sleepy state. Thanks for your kindly watching. This is our project demo for the safety driver.